Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to Blogging Good Food, your go to destination for delicious and healthy recipes. I am Olivia, and today I have got a treat for your taste buds that won't add to your waistline. Stick around because we are diving into the best healthy sweet potato salad that's a game changer. Let's kick things off with the nutritional powerhouse sweet potatoes. Not only do they bring a natural sweetness, but they are also loaded with vitamin A, fiber, and antioxidants. A guilt-free indulgence that's good for your skin, eyes, and overall well-being. Now, let's add a burst of color. These veggies are not just eye candy, they are a nutrient-packed rainbow. Bell peppers bring vitamin C, tomatoes contribute lycopene, and the medley ensures a wholesome blend of vitamins and minerals, a feast for the eyes and the body. Craving that satisfying crunch without the guilt? Nuts are the answer. Walnuts and almonds not only add a delightful texture, but also bring hard, healthy fats and a dose of omega-3 fatty acids. It's the secret ingredient for a salad that's as nutritious as it is delicious. Time to dress it up. Our simple yet flavorful dressing is a blend of hard, healthy olive oil, tangy balsamic vinegar, and a medley of herbs. This not only enhances the taste, but also ensures a dose of good fats and antioxidants. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Give it a good toss, and there you have it, our guilt-free sweet potato salad. The symphony of flavors, colors, and textures is not just a treat for your plate, but also a celebration of wholesome nutrition. Perfect for any occasion, and your body will love every bite. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this nutrient-packed recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more healthy goodness. Until next time, happy cooking, and remember, good food equals a good mood.